Ah, there you are again. Cameraman, director, okay. At this time? Well, what a coincidence. I just prepared such a review. I've got, well, let me explain. I've got this e-liquid. It's a green label Herbal e-liquid. Zero nicotine. I'll try to show you the bottle if the camera will work with me. It's from England, or should I say the UK. It's a herbal e-liquid, which means it's made from herbal extracts, and the most important part of this one, it's zero nicotine. Zero nicotine. So you would wonder, does it have any throat head? Because, as they say, as is generally accepted, throat hit is caused mostly by the nicotine that's in it. Now, I'm going to do a review about this e-liquid. Of course, I vaped it before, and I must say, the miracle of this stuff is it does have a throat hit. It actually has a big throat hit. So I guess that this review is mainly for your zero nicotine e-cigarette users out there. To make it more interesting, I'm going to test this e-liquid, this herbal e-liquid, in 4 different e-cig types. By the way, I have to keep an eye on the clock because it's a bit difficult to explain, but the memory card in my camera is being split up in 2 by my camera, and I have a little time. So I'm guessing this review will be in 2 parts, because somewhere along it will cut up, no more recording, so I'll have to hurry. First, I'm testing this e-liquid in a e-cig, which is a T-Rex battery, which is practically the same as an Ego battery or an EgoT battery. They are all the same, as far as I know, at least. It's something like 800 or 900 milliamps. Let me show you what this is. This is your traditional atomizer cartomizer combination. This is by the way a mega atomizer, low resistance. That's very important, low resistance. And this is not a cartridge, it's an empty cartridge with no filler material, so I just use this as a cheapish mouthpiece. So I drip in the atomizer, and well, that's it. By the way, when you vape, tissues are your friend. So I actually bought to comfort myself and my tissues a nice metal box. I thought it's always here on my desk, so it might just as well look nice. So there you go. Okay, let's screw it all back. I've just dripped in this atomizer. It's a bit hard to screw on the cone. Yep. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Dripped herbal e-liquid. Here we go. As you can hear, great throat hit. Ha. Really great throat hit. Great vapor production. Taste. Tasty. I think I tasted the herbal stuff really well with this one, which should be logical because you drip straight onto the coil, so You can't get it any purer than this. This is great. Okay, the second e-cig I want to try this in is a EgoT battery with a low resistance type B atomizer, of course with a type B tank, obviously. Low resistance again. So let's see how this compares to this. Once again, nothing wrong with the vapor production. Taste is slightly diminished. Throat hit is again slightly diminished, but maybe that's an advantage, because it's a bit very strong on this one, which once again is remarkable because it's a zero nicotine e-liquid. Okay, next we've got another EgoT battery with a Tech dual coil cartomizer. That's something new. It's low resistance. No, it's a dual coil and therefore low resistance, 1.5 ohms if I'm not mistaken. You see, it's a big cartomizer. It's huge, really. So high capacity, which is always a good thing in combination with a high capacity battery, of course. Ha. Now let's try this one. You've got mail. This is remarkable. This slightly less. Let me try that again. Less vapor, still good throat hit, and taste I would say is comparable. Yeah, you see, that's what I meant with that memory card problem. But I'm back. Taste is comparable. What was I? Yes. So this is the Tech dual coil. Taste is comparable to the Type B low resistance tank system. Yes. Now it suddenly tastes a bit papery. They are all three close together. Let me tell you straight, these three are all close together. There are differences, but they are slight, not big differences. The final one is the Bogue Leo with a Mega Cartomizer. And now I have forgotten which one contains the Herbal. Let me try. Yeah, this one. Okay. Let's see. This one, no doubt, is the smoothest, the mildest of the four. This is also a Bogue Leo, or Bogue Leo, as some people say. These are 510 systems, 510 threading. This is, I'm not sure, it's 801 or 901 threading, I'm not sure. At least it's not interchangeable with the 510s. So this is a different category altogether. I'll keep trying. Difficult. This has the smoothest, softest taste, the least throat hit. Once again, it's difficult to say which one is the best for the Herbal e-liquid, because you never know how it's supposed to taste like really, because every e-cig and every e-cig system makes it different. Different in taste, different in flavor, different in vapor. If I should appoint a winner, it would be the Leo. Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry for all your 510 lovers. But for me personally, as always, it's always personal. There are no objective measurements possible on that's the best, that's the best, that's the best. No, there's always differences between the different types, the different systems. Atomizer, cartomizer, cartridges. There will always be well, differences in opinion, I guess. Nevertheless, conclusion. The Herbal e-liquid is very good. It's a new taste which is worthy to try, especially since it's zero nicotine and still has a great throat hit. It's a good taste, I can say that. In what e-cig you prefer to smoke it really doesn't matter too much. They all, in a variety of ways, they all taste good. Yeah, one is a little bit sharper, one has less vapor, one has more taste, whatever you call it. But all these four systems are good. It used to be quite different only just a few years ago. But now I can say without hesitation, all four are good. The e-liquid is good. This is a very bad review. There's no conclusion. I cannot say this one is better, that one is better. Well, if you like it sharp and strong, the atomizer is a good idea. If you like it less strong, I'm not going to talk about it. I'm sorry, that's all I can do. This review was all about the green label Herbal e-liquid. It's good. Yeah. That's all I can say. Sorry. See you.